Hey fam, this video is about the latest interactions within Berachain project. We have already made a video a while back about Berachain, however a lot has happened since, and looks like Berachain's mainnet might be launched within a few months. So we wanted to make sure that you have built a big transaction volume within Berachain's ecosystem. And just a short reminder, Berachain raised $142 million and is positioned as one of the top tier 1 projects out there at the moment. So, if there is any project you'll really want to get the airdrop from, it's Berachain. In case you haven't started farming the airdrop, it's not a big issue, as you can still jump in and start right now, as Berachain is expanding the reach of its ecosystem and partnering with more and more new projects. So why not try to become eligible for a few airdrops at once? That's why, buckle up, because there are plenty of activities waiting for you ahead, and we're going to dive deeply into all of them in the following chapters of this video. By the way, here is a short recap about Berachain and some important information you should know about before we actually move on to the activities themselves. So, Berachain is planning to go mainnet until the end of Q4 of this year, and it's a great time to show some more action within their ecosystem while aiming at the pleasant reward. The main activities for Berachain are explained in details in the previous guide we've made about this project, so those activities are still possible to complete and you can still check them out in case you haven't touched them already. That will definitely boost your potential airdrop score. And in this video, we'll go over the additional activities that might also be important criteria for the airdrop eligibility, and by accomplishing them, your chances to get the rewards will definitely increase. There is a particular statistics available to us on Dune website regarding the holders of BGT tokens. As you can see, only a bit over 16,000 users are holding more than 0.1 BGT, and over 12,000 users have more than 10 of these tokens. So it would be a great idea for you to farm the BGT tokens as a priority, as this will highlight your position among other testers and really might become a vital condition when the airdrop is announced. The exact process of how to farm these BGT tokens and more is in the following chapters of this video guide. Thank you in advance for giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel. Here we go! As it happens more often than not, we'll start from requesting the test tokens. So let's visit the Beraland website, and here's where you can find multiple faucets from different ecosystem partners of Berachain. That's why it is recommended to grab as many tokens from different projects and from different faucets as you can, and then we'll proceed further. Now that we have all of the test tokens, we'll connect the wallet on the BEX website. By the way, BEX is the first DEX on Bera. Choose the pair of tokens in the swap terminal and then make a few exchanges. The more you make, the better, as always. Then we'll proceed to the pool tab. Here's where you can find the list of all of the different pools of the tokens. Choose the one you have the tokens for, then click on Add, enter the token amounts, and sign the transaction to confirm the deposit. By depositing the tokens to the pool, you'll be getting the liquidity tokens of that pool, and you should send these tokens to farm the BGT for you. Click on the deposit and connect on the new page. Then press on the max in the field where you need to enter the token amount to utilize all of the available tokens you have. Approve this with the white button and then deposit the tokens by clicking the white button as well. On the right hand side, you can claim the rewards, so give this process some time to receive your first reward. And this is where you should do this on the regular basis. So let's collect our BGT tokens. This is a governance token in Bera network, just in case you didn't know. Now, switch over to the Validators tab. Choose the validator of your choice and click on Delegate on his page. Now enter the token amount and sign the transaction. The next thing we'll be doing is building up that transaction volume. The transaction volume might be a little time consuming, but in case with Berachain, this should definitely pay off. So let's continue and test the Curvance ecosystem project. They are dedicating 4% of their tokens for the airdrops for the testers of this project. So we are planning to become one. And by doing so, we might become eligible for 2 airdrops at once. So connect your wallet and choose the Bartio network at the top. Then find the faucet button on the left and click on Claim All. Sign the transaction to receive the tokens. Alright, after this, find the Lock CVE button and enter the amount of tokens on the new page that popped up. Approve the tokens and confirm the tokens lock. And now we'll visit the Curvance main page. Scroll down to the market sections, switch to deposit and choose the token that you will be depositing. Select the amounts and the deposit type. As a default, the option for the deposit is collateral. So click on approve, confirm the transaction and then confirm the deposit. Once you're done, switch to the borrow section. And you can do the similar actions that you have just done. So choose the tokens to borrow, enter the amount, then click on continue and sign the transaction. Another step you need to complete is lending. So switch to the lending section and perform once again the similar activities with the token selection and then transaction confirmation. Good. And the last thing you'll need to do here is located in the Markets tab. Click here to see the details of one of the available positions, for example, the long BTC. Then click on Deposit, approve the token, and sign the transaction. Yeah, that's it. The section is completed. So feel free to further test the platform by repeating these sections a few times, the same actions that you have just completed. Alright, and the next interactions will be within another ecosystem project called Kodiak. So connect your wallet and switch the network to Bartio as well. Here you'll need to make a few simple swaps, as you probably have done before, and these simple swaps that you usually do. So Kodiak is one of the main protocols in Bera's ecosystem, and they have already officially announced that they are gonna have the KDK token. So we're looking forward to receiving this one. But right now we'll be moving on to the interactions connected with the liquidity pools. Alright, so choose the pool that suits you among these that are presented to you, and on the pool page you'll need to choose the tokens amounts and then just click supply. That's all. All that is left is just to confirm the tokens one by one. Alright, and finally the staking. So go to the staking page, but before we're able to complete this action, we'll need to have some KDK tokens already. So switch to the swapping page first and then exchange some tokens you have to the KDKs. Once you have received the KDKs, then you can head back to the staking page, enter the amount and then click on convert. Okay, and approve this action to finalize the staking, and that's it. Well done. We have successfully completed the main interactions with Berachain for today. So fam, in case you managed to complete all of these activities from the previous video and from this one, then I don't see why you shouldn't receive the airdrop from Berachain. The project is really too massive and we've really shown our dedication to it, didn't we? So thank you for joining us today, and we're looking forward to hearing back from you once the airdrops are delivered to your wallets. Don't forget to comment right now and then once you receive the airdrop. Okay? Make sure that you like this video and subscribe as well, because this will really mean a lot to us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.